Log into your account and familiarize yourself with the environment and the already stored QRecipes. The 14 allergen matrix lists all stored recipes in alphabetical order, containing the allergens of each recipe. The traditional beef stew is the recipe we just created and would like some variations. Each recipe created matches a specific meal category. The beef stew is allocated in the main courses. Clicking to view the details of the recipe reveals all the related information like the title, the preparation, the portion, the ingredients, and many more. All allergens and intolerance information are located on the left-hand side along with the food nutrition facts, per portion, per 100 grams, and the reference intake. Your stored social media accounts are also shown in case you would like to share the recipe with your audience. To change any of the recipe's information, just click the Edit button. Now you are in more familiar territory. If not, just watch the first video on how QRecipes are created. You can change all the information, the title, the short description, and intolerance information, as you may now use lactose-free or gluten-free ingredients. You can even change any of the ingredients or add new ones. Let's create a variation to the recipe. Just click on the Clone button. A copy of the traditional beef stew is created and shown in the 14 allergens matrix. Once again, click the same category where the original recipe was stored and you will find the cloned recipe with the title slightly changed. Click in for the details of the cloned recipe. The amended title and all the information from the original recipe are now available to add to the recipe variation. Just change the title to a more relevant one and start making changes like before. Once ready, just submit it so the changes are stored along with the newly generated information for allergens and other information. The recipe variation is shown in the 14 allergen matrix. Notice that rice, which is an allergen that is not included in the 14 allergens list, is not visible in the matrix. Clicking on the recipe to see the details, you will notice the additional ingredients and the changes in the food nutrition fact table. All the allergens, including the rice, are now available. QRecipe goes beyond the 14 allergens with an extended list of 74 different allergens. Join QRecipe to learn more and keep on improving food intelligence.